Editing images in Pelicad is very simple. We recommend you to apply an incremental approach and changing details step by step. Do not use long prompts, simply describe the changes by using the 4 tools we will show you now. To edit an image, select Edit Image in the lower toolbar. You have 4 different types: Prompt, Mask, Pick, and Draw. In the first step, we'll use Mask to change elements that we don't have as 3D elements in the scene. To do so, we select Mask, and a brush tool is created. We increase the size of the brush and now indicate in the image the areas that we want to change. After drawing in there, you see that a work area is being created. This means that the AI only operates in the indicated area. We submit our selection and now describe in the prompt the desired change. In this case, we want to turn the rocks into parked cars. After writing the prompt, we hit Enter, and after a couple seconds, 3 options are generated. We choose the last option as it mimics the realistic situation best. We hit Submit. In a second change, we choose the Pick function as we want to edit a certain material on our 3D model. We choose Pick, and now we can select our 3D model and click through the hierarchy until we reach the element we want to change. We hit Submit, and afterwards simply describe in our prompt the desired change. As we want to change the material, we also add an image reference. And submit our selection. After a couple seconds, you can see that only the indicated area changed its material. We select the first choice and submit it to move forward. Now, in the last step, we want to change a very specific element and use the last tool, the Draw function. This allows us to specify a very specific size and location of an element that we want to add. In this case, a pedestrian sign. We describe that we want to turn the sketch into a pedestrian sign, also add an image reference, and then also tell the AI that it should mind the position and the size. The results show that the AI gets very close to the desired change, and the last one fits perfectly. We submit our selection, and now our image is ready to be turned into a realistic rendering or any desired style we want to have.